Hello and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorial. So how do you make gay in Infinite Craft? So it's really simple, just add water and fire equals steam, and then add water, that'll produce cloud, double the cloud, you get rain, double the rain, you get rainbow. And then add water here plus earth equals plant, and then wind equals dandelion, and then from the dandelion you get water, you get wine, and water to wine you get holy water. Now put wine on holy water, you get the Catholic Church right here, and from the Catholic Church just add it to the rainbow and you get gay. So there you have it. So I hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.